Hello, Yorana, everyone. Welcome to Polinetia TV. My name is Moino Rivera and welcome to my channel. Have you ever booked a trip for a group of people, whether it is for your family, your friends, or your coworkers, or your sports team, or your dance group, whatever the type of group you had to travel with? You know it takes a lot of organization, planning, and you have to go through a lot of details to make sure the trip is a success for everyone. How about the size of the group? Booking a group of 10 people versus 50 or 100 or more, there is a big difference. It may be easier with 10 people than 100. It totally depends. How about the destination the group is traveling? Especially if you plan to travel to the islands. Do they have all the resources you need for your group? How about visas, passports, last minute changes, lost baggages, or accidents? Unfortunately, all these things happen. There are so many things you need to consider before booking your group's trip. Group travel isn't that easy. There's a lot of steps you need to go through to make sure the trip goes well. Now, if you don't have the skills to organize, to plan, or just to be mindful of all the things you have to do, then booking a trip for your group can be extremely challenging. Let's talk about Polynesian dance groups. There are different types of Polynesian dance groups. They can be as small as 10, 20 to 30 people, or as large as 300 dancers or more. Usually Polynesian dance group travel from one city to another, from one state to another, from one country to another. The further the group goes, the more production you have, more planning, more organization. I know for a fact and with experience that when it comes to plan a trip for your dance group, there's always someone who is designated to take care of the planning. It can be the group leader or the director of the school, or it can be a parent of a dancer or a travel professional. Now, usually Polynesian dance groups travel to perform or to compete, to attend an event, regardless the fact that the group needs to be ready to perform, to take care of their costumes, their dance routine, rehearsals. It can be very overwhelming for group leaders and for dancers as well. This is why it is important to use travel professionals to help you with the planning. Travel professionals are there to take the load off your shoulders. They help you organize, plan, assist you, take care of the small details. They are also there to help you collect the payments, assist you with the accounting. They give you advice on the destination. They share with you the best tips and tricks to make sure everyone is a happy camper. Let me share with you the 5 benefits of using a travel professional to organize groups trips. Benefit number 1. Travel professionals saves you time. Yes, booking a group with a travel professional helps you save time and the hassle of handling the booking because they know the industry, they know the shortcuts, they know what it takes to organize a group travel. Plus, you don't have to worry about anything else. You can focus on other things. Benefit number 2. Travel professionals dedicate their time to assist you. This is a big one. Who doesn't want to have a travel professional assistant? Travel professionals work on your group's reservation from A to Z. They assist you with the accounting by collecting payments for your group members. They answer your questions. They organize your rooming list and so on. They do so many things. Benefit number 3. Travel professionals help you find solutions when complications arise. Yep. I have worked for more than a decade in the travel industry and I have booked multiple groups from 10 to 400 people. Things happen. I've seen people forgetting their passport, broke their foot while hiking. getting sick while traveling. I saw people losing their luggage, even having problems with the immigration. All things can happen, and travel professionals are there to help you find the solution to fix these issues. Benefit number 4. Travel professionals can plan trips for any size group. It doesn't matter how big or small the group is, they are able to organize trips for any size. Because they are professionals, they know what accommodations to recommend you, what excursions to suggest you, or tour companies. Some tour companies can take only a certain amount of people. That is why it is important to work with professionals. Benefit number 5. Travel professionals negotiate the best deal for the entire group. In general, travel professionals work in partnership with multiple airlines or hotels, bus transportation or tour companies, and they get to offer you the great deals, competitive group rates, payment installments, and sometimes complimentary services, free airline tickets or hotel rooms. A kind of deal you may not get if you book your book on your own. There it is. Now you know why it is important and beneficial to book your group with a travel professional. If you're planning to book a group with your family or with your dance group and you need a travel professional to help you with the planning, let us know and contact us. We will be happy to help you. I am the owner of Porinetia Travel, a travel agency that is specialized in group travel. We are expert and certified in most of the South Pacific islands like Tahiti, New Zealand, Hawaii, and all the other islands. Comment down below if you ever work with a travel professional before, or if you ever worked with our agency in the past. I would love to know what was your experience. Please share with us. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Well, if you like this video, click on the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as I will be posting a video each week. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us your comment down below or send us an email. Tera Yahua Hirema, Maururu te wharur amei, parheian Nana!